What if I told you there's a hidden highway of cash flow powering your dreams of financial freedom, day and night, without you lifting a finger? Imagine reliable passive income pouring in while you sleep, travel, or binge watch your favorite shows. Too good to be true? Stay with me. When was the last time your Wi-Fi went down? That momentary panic, fear, urgency, that's the power digital infrastructure companies wield every second. And today I'll show you how to turn that power into your personal wealth engine. Before we dive into specific stocks, let's understand why digital infrastructure is the backbone of the modern economy, and why ignoring it is like opting out of the digital revolution. The data deluge global data creation is set to exceed 175 zettabytes by 2025. Every Zoom call, every social media scroll, every cryptocurrency transaction relies on these networks. If you miss this megatrend, you're choosing to watch opportunity slip away. Recession-resilient revenues. Even in downturns, demand for connectivity never wavers. These companies operate like digital toll booths, collecting fees every millisecond, rain or shine. Ready to see which companies are cashing in, and how you can too. Our first powerhouse stock is next. Don't go anywhere. 4 stock recommendations, 6 total. 1. Equinix, EQIX. Equinix is the world's largest data center REIT. They host the critical servers for Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and hundreds more. Their facilities are the digital coliseums where data battles for speed and security, and Equinix charges rent 24/7. That translates into predictable growing dividends. They've increased payouts for over 20 years and currently yield about 2.5%, with double-digit growth in funds from operations projected. Picture your bank account lighting up with quarterly dividend checks, guaranteed, while the digital world hums along inside Equinix's vaults. Transition. From the vaults of Equinix, let's plunge beneath the ocean waves, because the internet's real magic happens under the sea. 2. Subsea 7, SUBCY. Subsea 7 lays and maintains the fiber optic cables that carry data across continents. Imagine a snapped undersea cable. Global chaos. Subsea 7 gets paid premium rates to prevent and fix that chaos. Their services have enormous barriers to entry, and they boast a backlog of over $3 billion in contracts. With a dividend yield around 4%, you earn handsomely while they keep the world connected. Think of data as the world's lifeblood. Subsea 7 is the emergency responder you never knew you needed. Catch of the day. Next, the microchips powering every device in your pocket and beyond. 3. Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM. Taiwan Semiconductor manufactures the world's most advanced microchips, the brains inside your smartphone, laptop, and AI server farms. As 5G and AI demand explodes, TSMC's order books read like a rocket launch manifest. They have long-term supply agreements with Apple, Nvidia, and AMD. While their dividend yield is a modest 1.5%, substantial share buybacks supercharge your total return. Imagine riding the AI wave by owning the very factories that build the future's smartest brains. Chips are critical, but how do signals reach your phone? Our next stock owns the towers making that possible. 4. Crown Castle, CCI. Crown Castle owns and leases over 40,000 cell towers and small cell nodes across the US. Every time your phone switches from 4G to 5G, Crown Castle collects rent from carriers. Their contracts include built-in escalators, meaning your dividend checks grow, currently yielding nearly 4% with a decade of 10% annual dividend growth. You're paid every month as wireless demand soars, and the infrastructure stays in Crown Castle's hands. TSAC 3. We've covered data centers, undersea cables, chips, and towers. Now, how to blend them into an unshakable passive income fortress. We've unveiled 4 titans of the digital age. Here's how to assemble them into a robust passive income machine, while minimizing risk. Portfolio weighting. Consider equal weight allocations to capture growth and yield. Don't wait for a market crash. Start with small positions now. You can always add on dips. Diversification. Complement these picks with traditional dividend aristocrats or bond-like REITs. Hold a cash buffer, ready for opportunistic buys when volatility strikes. Dividend reinvestment, DRIP, automatically reinvest payouts. Compounding over years is your secret wealth engine. The digital world never sleeps, and neither does your potential for passive income. Miss this train, and you risk being left on the platform. You now have the blueprint. Next, supercharge your growth with our deep dive into stocks to invest in right now, high growth opportunities. Click the video on your screen to keep building your financial empire. Don't just watch wealth happen, be its architect. I'll see you there.